Alright guys, first of all let's talk about state management. We need to understand one simple question. What is state? In Flutter, state is the information that describes how the screen looks right now. If something on the screen can change, then it is part of the state. For example, a number in the counter, a loading indicator, an error message, or whether user is logged in or not. All of these are state. Think of state as the current situation of your app. When the state changes, the screen must change too. And if nothing in the state changes, the screen shouldn't change either. Let's think about the traffic light. The light can be red, yellow or green. The color of the light is a state. Drivers don't decide what to do randomly. They react to the current color. When the color changes, the behavior changes. In the same way, the UI reacts to the current state of the app. We don't tell to the UI what to do step by step. We only change the state and the UI responds to it. In simple words, the UI is a result of the state. Understanding this idea is the first step to understanding state management in Flutter. And once this idea is clear, everything that comes next will make much more sense.